Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, Northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Hampshire to Streamwood, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Schaumburg, Palatine, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, Crystal Lake, Streamwood, Hanover Park, Carpentersville, Wheeling, Northbrook, Elk Grove Village, North Chicago, and Gurnee, including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 32 and 72, Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 30, Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 4, Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 30. This includes Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Chino Lakes State Park, College of Lake County, Elgin Community College, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Harper College, Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, Lake Forest College, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, Moraine Hills State Park, Lavinia Music Festival, and Six Flags Great America. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are... This is NOAA's Weather Radio, K-West.